Hello, and welcome to an introduction to Ojibwe. I would like to begin by stating there is no one right way to speak Ojibwe. One thing can be said in multiple ways, and those ways may vary from community to community. If possible, seek out a speaker in your community to help you understand how it is used where you are from. Next, I would like to thank you all for deciding to let me help you on your journey to Ojibwe fluency. For these tutorials, I will be using the double vowel system for writing. To begin with, I will start by breaking down the consonants and vowel sounds used in the language. Try not to worry too much about the technicalities for now, and just focus on trying to get used to making the sounds and let your mouth get a feeling for the language. Vowels. There are two types of vowels. There are short vowels and there are long vowels. Here are the short vowels. A. A single A makes a sound. This is approximately equivalent to the A in the English word about. Try it with me now. Good. The next short vowel is I. The I makes the I sound like in the English word igloo. Let's try it now. I. 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 Very good. The last short vowel is an O. This sounds like the O in oval. Remember that a single O is a short O sound. Let's practice this sound now. O. 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 Great. Take a break now if you want. Pause the video. Work on these sounds a little bit and try to get them really comfortable in your mouth. And, when you're ready, resume the video to move on to the next section. Now that we've covered the short vowels, let's move on to the long vowels. The first of the long vowels is the double A. The sound for this one is like the A in the English word walk. Let's try this one now. Ah. 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 The next long vowel we will be working on is the letter E. The sound for this one is just like saying the letter A. All right, here we go. A. 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 Excellent. That one was an easy one, huh? Just 3 more vowels to go, then we can start looking at the consonants. Moving on, we have the double I. This sound is made just by saying the letter E. This shouldn't be too bad. Let's give it a shot. E. 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 Fantastic. Our last vowel is going to be the double O. This sound is similar to the double O in the word food. Let's give this one a spin. Ooh. There you go. Ooh. Stretch out that O now. Ooh. Great job, everybody. Why don't we take a break here? Pause the video. Get up and stretch. Work on those sounds a little bit more. Then, when you're ready, come back, resume the video, and we'll work on all the consonant sounds. Welcome back. Now let's work on the consonant sounds. For the most part, these should be easy. We should be able to get through them relatively quickly. Most consonants sound about like their English counterparts, except where otherwise noted. So, for these I will go a little quicker, except where further explanation is warranted. So, to begin with, we have B. 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 The next letter is CH. 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 Then we have D. 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 Okay, now the G. 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 And now H. H. And then there's J. 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 This is followed by K. 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 And next is M. 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 And N. 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 Okay, now P. 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 Then S. 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 And then SH. 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 Okay, now T. 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 W. 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 Y. 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 Z. 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 Okay, now the last two letters don't really have an English counterpart, but I will do my best to explain them. The first is the ZH. This should sound like the second part of the French word ajou. If you're not familiar with this word or sound, that's alright. Just do your best and you should be able to get it down in no time. Try it with me. Z. 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 ZH. Alright, now the last letter in Ojibwe is referred to as a guttural stop. It is denoted by an apostrophe and cuts the sound of the previous letter short. I will go over this in future lessons, and soon you will have a grasp of it. But for now, let's just put that in our head and save it for later. So, let's review what we've covered today. The double vowel alphabet is A, double A, B, CH, D, E, G, H, guttural stop, I, double I, J, K, M, N, O, double O, P, S, SH, T, W, Y, Z, and ZH. All right. Now that we've covered the basics of the double vowels and the sounds, we can start to slowly work our way more into the meat of the language. If, as you're practicing, you get things wrong, try not to stress about it. Ojibwe language is about communication, but it's also about having fun. So just do your best, don't stress, and above all, have fun. And we'll see you next time on Ojibwe Basics, where we'll start to cover some basic greetings and simple nouns. Ahaw, mi'u, miigwech. Gigawabamin.